Pinaka-best part is budget-friendly si A26 5G. Duha ni kabuo. Merong 6 gig of RAM with 128 internal storage, but it is still expandable to 2 terabyte using the memory card. Now, mudugang jud ka gamay-gamay na presyo. Meron tayong 8 gig of RAM with 256 internal storage and also expandable using memory card up to 2 terabyte. Now, ang 6 gig of RAM, 128 internal storage is only 15,990. Isbog kagamay ug dugangig 2,000 pesos. Taas na kayong RAM. Meron ka ng 8 gig of RAM and 256 internal storage for only 17,990. Sa inaning price range, sulit na kayo kung nindot pa dyan ang camera. Pas-pas ang performance. O syempre ang battery life. Perfect kayo for Christmas gift. Kung Christmas caroling, taking photos, o bisang pag-vlog mo sa imong Christmas events, ang A26 kayo, kayo. Stable ang videos, nindot ang colors, o syempre hindi mo wash out, inig picture nimo sa mga Christmas lights. So, kung nangita mong phone na affordable and reliable, here's the Galaxy A26 5G. Available to here in Samsung Experience Store, SM City Cebu. Appeal po ang Samsung Experience Store, Ayala Center Cebu. O ayaw ka wala ka, kay gano man. Appeal po to sa tanang Junrex cellphones. So feel free to approach any of our Team Galaxy or any sales associate in Junrex cellphones to give you more or to tell you more about the products and other offers. Now, inighuman mong tanaw, ani na video, gamit akong code na JZ Juliet Zebra 1205 para matagaan pong kag-discount. So, unsay buhaton? Ang imong buhaton is may comment ka ani na video, hashtag I love Junrex. I-take ang screenshot, tapos ani na dayon sa Samsung Concept Store, Ayala Center Cebu, and Samsung Experience Store, SM City Cebu, and tanang Junrex Store, ipakita na sa OIC para matagaan jud kag discount. Make your Christmas more memorable with better photos and videos. Merry Christmas and see you on my next video. Bye for now!